In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication or 2FA on Slack. This is a crucial task when you need to adjust security settings or face technical issues with authentication apps. So let's dive right into it, and together we'll walk through this process step by step. To start, open your web browser and go to the Slack website. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in. So head over to the sign in page and click on sign in with Google if you're using that option. This is a common and convenient way to log in if your Google account is linked to your Slack account. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Slack dashboard. This is the main hub where you have access to all of your Slack channels and conversations. From here, we need to access your profile settings, so look for your profile icon, usually found at the top right corner of the dashboard, and give it a click. Now that you're in your profile section, the next step is to navigate to more detailed settings. Look for an option labeled Tools and Settings. This section provides various options related to your account preferences and configurations. After clicking Tools and Settings, the next area you'll want to open is Billing. I know what you're thinking, billing is not what you typically associate with security settings. However, in this case, it's a necessary step to navigate through the options available. Moving on, you'll want to click on Account and Profile. This is where you'll find personal account configurations, ranging from basic information updates to more secured settings like what we're heading to next. Look for the email address section and click on it. This is another checkpoint in our journey towards the final objective. As we dive deeper into account settings, work our way to the heart of security configurations. Finally, find and click on two-factor authentication. This is where you manage 2FA settings. Within this page, you'll see the option to disable two-factor authentication. Click it and follow any prompts to confirm the disabling process. You may be asked to verify your decision, possibly by entering your password or completing another step, just to ensure it's really you making these changes. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled two-factor authentication on Slack. Remember, while 2FA adds an extra layer of security, there might be times when disabling it is necessary. Just make sure to re-enable it when you can for enhanced protection of your Slack account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further clarification.